Hi there folks, welcome to this Kelverion demonstration of the integration pack for BMC BladeLogic Automation Server. Let's take a look at those new activities. We have create BL package from audit, create deploy job, export audit results, run BL CLI command, run job and set server properties. Each of these objects is configured with a global configuration. Let's take a look at the generic BL connection. All of the configs are basically the same for the four different types. We need the server name and port, the username and password, if we take a look at the set server property activity, we're going to use some published data from a database to set a property of one of our servers. It's quite straightforward. Take a look in BladeLogic itself after that's executed, we can see that description's been updated. Moving on to the run BL CLI command, obviously this gives you a lot of power but it does require a good understanding of BL CLI. We're going to print all of the server properties and we're going to add them into a file. You can see if multiple arguments are needed to your command, you have access to set those. Let's take a look in the file that's created. And we can see all of the properties that you might expect to see in there. Moving quickly onto the run job, this one's very straightforward. We're going to execute a snapshot job called snapshot test. Let's execute that and we'll take a look in BladeLogic. If we monitor the tasks in progress, we can see that it's waiting to run, and then we can see it's running. Straightforward stuff. We can see it's now completed. Moving quickly on, we're now going to create a BladeLogic package from a set of audit results. We need to set the package name and the package group where that package is going to be created, and then obviously we need to specify the source audit or the audit results that we're going to create the package from. It's as simple as that. Again, if we take a look in BladeLogic, we can see the new package that was created. We're now going to create a deploy job from that package. You can see we've specified the source package, the new name for the deploy job, the destination group, and the parameters required to set up the package. We check that in an executor, flip back to BladeLogic, we can see we have a deploy job created. The job below that is disco guest. You can see that's executed now, and if we refresh, we can see our new deploy job 2 has been created. Finally, let's move on to the export audit results. Slightly more complicated demonstration this time. Let's set up the export audit results activity first. So we need the file that's going to be created, and we need some details about the audit job. Obviously we need to specify a particular set of audit results. There might be many, and we're going to use run BL CLI commands to get that information that we need. So first of all, we're going to get the database key. We're going to use the published data from that to get the run key. You can see the published data there from the previous activity. And finally we're going to use the published data containing that run key to actually export the audit results. Let's take a look as things have processed through. So command result contains our important information, and again from the second activity. So there's our run key. And finally let's take a look at the HTML file that was created. We could have exported to CSV. I chose HTML as it's easy to see on the screen. And if we open that file up, we can see there are the audit results. It's all quite straightforward stuff. I'm sure you'll have fun with this integration pack. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration. If you're interested in this integration pack or any of our other products, please take a look at our website www.kelverion.com for more information.